Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a chit chat and a mini review on the Curl Boss line that you can find at game stores. But before we get into me telling you a little bit more about the product, these are the results from the gel. This is day 2 hair. I'm going to tell you all about it, but before that happens, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. So I went to game stores in search of the Curl Boss products and I bought the wrong ones. This color here, which contains mango and marula, is actually for relaxed hair, and I did use it. As I said, these are the results. So I didn't film an actual tutorial of me using it. I thought I'll just tell you a little bit more about it and you guys can see the results and decide. I only bought 2 of the products. I bought the strengthening hair mask. This is the Girl Boss My World of Curls Smooth and Strong Mango Marula Strengthening Hair Mask, and it's for relaxed hair. It promises to strengthen relaxed hair, give hair shine, and it also prevents breakage. Straight up, this did nothing for my hair. It's white in color, very pasty. I left it on for 20 to 30 minutes and my hair was just average. When it comes to the instructions, there's not much on the packaging. All it tells you is to apply to wet to dry hair, to nourish, strengthen, and give a smooth and shiny finish. It doesn't tell you how long to leave it on for or to even rinse it out. So this for me, and again, I know it's for relaxed hair, but it didn't do anything for my hair at all. I then went in with the gel. This is the Curl Boss My World My Rules Smooth and Strong Mango Marula Hair Gel for relaxed hair, promising to strengthen relaxed hair, give hair shine, and prevent breakage. Just like the mask, not much about instructions. All it says is apply daily to wet to dry relaxed hair to nourish, strengthen, and give a smooth and shiny finish. As I said, these are the results. There's a very hard crunch. Your hair gets really hard. I had to apply an oil and scrunch it out, but that's fine. Amazing hold. I didn't refresh my hair at all. I haven't added water. I haven't added any more products. So I mean, on my hair, this is amazing. When it comes to the consistency, like, this was like a bit scary. It's so thin and so watery and liquidy that when I was applying it on my hair, it felt like I was applying absolutely nothing. So I put it on my hair, fingers crossed, and I hoped for the best. My hair started to dry and it started getting really hard, and I was like, oh my gosh, okay, this has a very strong hold and crunch on it. Not much in terms of shrinkage. As I said, I haven't refreshed my hair. Definition is great. It does give a really nice shine, but to apply this daily on dry hair, I don't know how that's going to work out, but on my type of curly hair and natural hair, it does give me a really nice hold. That's it, guys. That's my thoughts on these 2 products from the Curl Boss line. It is for relaxed hair, as I said. I hope you enjoy this, and it was just something I thought I'd share with you because I did it off camera. I thought, let me try this and see, because it's not for curly hair, it's actually for relaxed hair. Drop your comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Take care.